Maintenance supervisors supervise hotel maintenance operations, ensuring efficient repairs, preventive programs, and compliance with safety standards. Oversees daily maintenance operations, ensuring hotel facilities remain safe, functional, and compliant. Coordinates and supervises maintenance staff, assigning tasks and monitoring performance. Manages maintenance projects, diagnoses breakdowns, and ensures timely repairs. Enforces health, safety, and environmental standards across all technical activities. Maintenance engineer technician, responsible for hands-on repair and maintenance work in the hotel, performs routine maintenance on HVAC, plumbing, lighting, and electrical systems, repairs equipment and appliances in guest rooms, public areas, and back-of-the-house spaces, conduct regular inspections to identify potential issues, and responds to guest requests for urgent repair promptly. Within this position, you can encounter carpenter, painter, electrician, etc.